Hello and welcome to this very short and quick yoga flow that you can do anywhere, anytime. We're going to start this session standing. So as and when you're ready, begin to find a position that's comfortable for you, spreading the toes, maybe just taking a little bit of a gentle shake, shifting. And eventually beginning to settle into your standing position, just ensuring that the soles of the feet are in contact with the earth, shoulders coming up towards the ears, rolling them back. Soft knees. And I'll take 2 rounds of breath here, just beginning to feel the earth beneath the feet. As and when we're ready, we'll begin to take the arms up, softening the knees, cactusing. We'll begin to take the arms up and we're going to gently begin to hinge and fold. As we fold, softening the knees even more. Hands dangling or in contact with the earth. We'll take a gentle ragdoll, hands opposite wrists or elbows. And just beginning to take a gentle sway. Shifting the weight from one foot to the other. And eventually beginning to release the hands down. We'll take a halfway lift, hands to thighs, shins or peace fingers. And a little bit soften and fold, pressing into the earth, taking the arms back up overhead. Softening and cactusing. We're going to take the arms up and then forward. We're going to begin to give ourselves a hug, left arm on top. We're going to take a little bit of an eagle, softening the knees, stacking the elbows, maybe the hands go out, cupping, maybe we bind. Always inviting the elbows away from the heart, hand away from the forehead. And we'll begin to come into a chair-like pose, so beginning to sit down. Make sure the toes aren't clawing into the earth. And then we'll begin to straighten the legs, unfurling, cactusing, opening up. And we'll take the arms back up. Coming forward, right arm on top this time. Beginning to explore. As we begin to sit down in your chair-like, softening the jaw. Beginning to press, beginning to open up. Exhale, taking the arms up overhead. Left hand grabbing the right fingertips with the wrist, softening the knees. We're going over towards the left. Beginning to lift that right heel. And what we'll begin to do is we can stay here. Maybe we trace that right foot out towards the side. Maybe we're going to test the balance a bit. Maybe we lift. Maybe we tap the wall if it's nearby. Maybe we begin to take that right leg over towards the left, taking a bit of a side dancer. I don't know where you may be practicing at the moment. I'm on the Isle of Wight in this lovely Coast Guard cottage, but it's quite warm in here. We'll begin to bring that right foot to meet the right, arms rising, cactusing, opening up. Enjoying the beautiful sea view out this window. Right hand grabbing the left, fingertips of the wrist, soft, and the knees going over towards the right. Again, we'll begin to lift that left heel. Tracing that left foot out towards the side. Again, maybe testing our balance a bit. Maybe beginning to explore your side dance. Left foot coming to meet the right, rising, softening and cactusing. We're going to take the arms up. This time we're going to take the hands behind us. Suctioning to the thighs, pretend pockets, or maybe interlacing the hands, opening up the chest. Softening the knees will begin to hinge. Ensuring you're not locking at the knees. And eventually we'll take the fingertips to the lower back, releasing any binds, letting the hands gravitate down towards the earth. We'll take a halfway. And softening and folding. Pressing into the earth, taking the arms back up overhead. Softening and cactusing. Take the hands up towards the sky and eventually taking the hands down into the heart space. Pressing the finger pads in towards each other. I'll gently bow the head down to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this very short and simple standing flow that, again, you could take anytime and anywhere. I look forward to seeing you soon. Otherwise, have an amazing day.